Hello and welcome back to another video. This is another video in the HTML, CSS, JavaScript series. And we are going to continue this. But first, let me just go full screen. Alright, time to switch. There we go. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first is let me just open up the important stuff. Let me open up the important stuff. There it is. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Alright. Come on. Open with code. There we go. Lovely. Alright, yeah. Visual Studio Code is just loading, so I'm gonna give it some time to load. Alright, there we go. Let me just minimize this. Open up Microsoft Edge. And there are a couple hold on, there's some more stuff that needs to be done. Alright, yeah, ChatGPT. Alright, before I need to log in. I forgot I had to log into this. So let me just I'm gonna turn the screen black for some time. Alright, hold on it for a second, please. Bear with me, please. Just bear with me for a couple of seconds. Alright. Alright, come on. Almost done. Alright, there we go. Lovely. We are in. We are definitely in. And just a couple more stuff. Just a couple more stuff. There we go. And let me just reload. Alright. We are definitely in. Okay, it is time to go back to full screen. But first, let me check. Okay, this is visible. Go full screen. Now, where do we leave it? Where is the stuff? Give me the good stuff. There it is. Alright, so this is mostly done. Alright, so let's start. So this, okay. Done. Today is new day. Let's go, ChatGPT. Today is the next day. You're doing this exactly right. Daily small steps asking why things work. Day 4, CSS classes plus JavaScript logic. Real developer skill. Yeah, this is what I want. Real developer skill. Alright, so today we'll stop using inline styles, control, CSS using JavaScript, learn class list, which is very important. Okay, build a tiny theme toggle app. Still baby steps, still all three together. Goal for today, click a button. JavaScript as removes a CSS class. CSS changes the look smoothly. This is how real apps work. Alright, let's do that. Let us do that. Trust the authors? Yes, I do trust the authors. Let's go to the index.html. Theme toggle. Alright, let's change this to theme toggle. Theme toggle. There we go, lovely. Alright, input type, this is already done. I reckon this is already done. This is already done as well. Greet user and change color. Alright, so greet user, we're gonna keep greet user, we're gonna remove change color. Or maybe just change the name. Let's change this to toggle theme. Toggle theme with a capital T, alright? Toggle theme with a capital T. There we go. Alright, toggle theme. No, that is not the, okay. Toggle theme. Toggle theme. Alright, lovely. Absolutely lovely. I need to turn on autosave for this. I keep like delaying it. I want to turn on autosave, but I just don't want to do it. I don't know why. Alright, so toggle theme, it's done. This is a new function. On click, it's gonna toggle the theme. Alright, CSS 2 themes, core concept. What's gonna happen? Have we done the CSS body? Is the body done? Let me check. Oh, we didn't do the body. It is time to do the body. Let's do it. Alright. Body. Background color. Okay. BACK. Today we're working on the body. F2, F2, F2. Alright. Hashtag F2 to F2. Wow, that is a beautiful color. Wasn't that purple? Font family. And I still didn't study why we're using 2 fonts. Wow. Still need to ask. I do want to ask ChatGPT why we're using 2 fonts, but yeah, for some other time, not now. I'm not in the mood of asking ChatGPT, honestly. Let's just go with the flow. So we're using 2 fonts for some reason. Text align center, text align center. Alright, there we go. Margin at the top, 100 pixels. Let's do that. Margin at the top is going to be 100, beautiful 100 pixels. Let's give it a beautiful 100 pixels. Oh, we have a transition. Now that is something I look forward to. Transition. Did we not do this before? Oh, that is the button. That is the button, everybody. That was the button. Alright, so background color. Background color. Oh, hold it, hold it. I missed the N. Background color. 0.3 seconds. Ease. Okay. So probably, what I understand from this is that the background color is gonna change with some ease. Color 0.3 ease. Now I don't know why this is rewritten again. I do not know about that. Okay, body.dark. Now let's go to the body.dark. We're working on the body dark. Background color. Background color. Hashtag triple two. Triple two. What is that color? Okay, it's dark. And we have a white color as well. Yo, hold on. I think I'm starting to understand this. So what's going to happen is that first it's going to transition. It's going to be black. And it's slowly going to transition to white. So there's going to be sort of a color transition. Okay, we already did this. For padding font size is done. No need for width. Alright. Button. Button. Remove the result. We don't need this right now. Or now. Remove the button hover. Alright, button. Padding margin. Padding 10, 20 pixels. Okay, margin 5 pixels. Yeah. Cursor pointer. Alright. The rest of the stuff we don't need it since ChatGPT says do that, so we're going to do that. Alrighty. Beautifully. Let's move on. So .dark is a CSS class. Okay. It's a CSS class. Nothing happens until JavaScript adds it. Now it is time for the JavaScript. Very important. JavaScript. Alright, hold it. Now I want to remove a couple of functions that we don't need. So greet user is going to be there. We're not going to remove that. Please enter your name. Although it gave me a cool emoji. I wanna add that to my code. Let's do that. Hello, name, and then emoji. All right, let's do that. I love that emoji. These emojis are so beautiful. They're actually really attractive. All right. So the function that we're gonna define is called. It is called toggle theme. Toggle theme. So what is it gonna do? Document.body. Document.body. From the document, we're accessing the body, and then we're accessing the class list. LST. And then what are we doing? We're gonna toggle dark. All right. And then a semicolon. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Okay. So let's just run this and see what happens. All right, let's try Google for now. Ah, there it is. Okay, let me open up. Yeah, let's write John. Greet me. Hello, John. Okay, so the emoji is being rendered as, yeah. It's being rendered as, some weird symbols. Probably ASCII. ASCII characters. Right, look, ASCII characters. You see that? That is ASCII character. Toggle theme. What just happened? Hold it. This is what I want to check out. Where is the color? Body. Okay. Computer layout. I want to see what is actually happening, right? In the background. I wanna see. So I'm trying to understand this. I'm trying to like process what is happening, right? So what I understand from this right now is when I click the button, the toggle theme function is called, and whatever color it is, right, it's gonna get the class list, which is property, and then it's gonna toggle the. This is a method. It's gonna toggle the dark color. But I get that. But why is this body.dark, right? And you can see that in the developer tools as well. So what I don't understand from this is that why do we have two colors, black and white? Is it because like when we click on toggle theme, it becomes dark, and then we click on it again, it becomes white, right? Something like that. We also have transition, so it's like gonna take 0.3 seconds to transition, right? Both of the colors. This is what I understand from this, but I'm trying to understand it more. Alright, so, yeah, so this is it for today. I hope you enjoy the video. So I couldn't understand, a few parts of the code, but yeah, probably for some other day. This is it for today. So it was really interesting today because I did not know that we could do this, right? Also, what is the class list? Read-only property returns live DOM token list collection of class attributes. Class attributes, right? And then we're calling a method on the DOM token list. Look, so we're changing the color. It's as simple as that. But how are we doing that? I don't know how we're doing that. Why are there two colors? We have transitions. We have background colors. There's like a lot of stuff going on, right? And there's a lot to understand. So yeah, but this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, do subscribe, comment down below, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Remember, code the code. Bye bye.